So based on previous concept, we are going to discuss variation of current with frequency in series RLC circuit. So already we know the IRMS is equal to ERMS divided by impedance Z. That should be is equal in RLC circuit ERMS divided by here the under root of R square plus omega L minus 1 by omega C whole square. In this situation already we discussed last class. So here the in resonance occur case yet omega is equal to omega R means resonance frequency is equal to here the 1 by root LC. 1 by root LC we will discuss previous heading only. So in this situation here the it means that implies omega L should be is equal to 1 by omega C. It means here purely resistive case. Here the resonance frequency R is equal to here the omega R divided by here the 2 pi. That should be omega R by nothing but 1 by here the 2 pi root of LC. This resonance frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. This is a resonance frequency formula. So here the IRMS is nothing but in this situation here the phase angle must be equal to 0 means Z is that implies Z should be is equal to R only. Z should be is equal to R. It means IRMS is equal to here the ERMS divided by only resistor. Only a resistor. In this situation I am going to write a diagram. So here the frequency value on x-axis, here the current value on y-axis. This is the current value on y-axis. Here I am going to write that implies phi is equal to 0. That implies Z is equal to R. So here the with respect to frequency up to some level here the increasing, after that decreasing like this. This maximum power consumption we called here omega is equal to omega R or resonance frequency. This is the maximum current I maximum. Here the power also maximum. In this situation power also maximum. Here the and here maximum power or IRMS value also. IRMS value also here the that value should be is equal to also here the IRMS value also. So in this situation here two possibility cases there. So before here the let us consider in this left side is the frequency is the less than the resonance frequency. Resonance frequency here the F is equal to FR also. You will write R omega. So here the right side is the F is bigger than the resonance frequency. This frequency is the less the resonance frequency in this area. So it means this area we called here impedance. This type of impedance we called here capacitive impedance. It means here the omega L is less than the 1 by omega C. In right side here the omega L is bigger than the 1 by omega C. We call here this type right side the frequency impedance we call here inductive frequency. It means here the first case yet F is less than FR in this situation. So in this situation this circuit impedance we called circuit impedance. Circuit impedance is capacitive, only capacitor impedance. And second one, at F is bigger than the resonance frequency in this situation. It means this region, the right side region, here circuit impedance is inductive. circuit impedance, here the inductive, here the omega L nothing but more inductive only. So here the 1 by omega C nothing but capacitor. That's why active in this area, active capacitor, in this area active inductive, active inductive. This one very important. Based on this one, based on these two conditions, they will ask numerical problems. So another important topic, power in series RLC circuit. Power in series RLC circuit. So here I would like to take RLC circuit. This is the resistance, this is the inductor, this is the capacitor. So here to here this one connecting AC source. So E bar is equal to E naught into, so angle here 0, E is equal to E naught sin omega t. So this is the inductor, capacitor and resistor. Here to here this combination of this one nothing but impedance. This combination resistor is nothing but impedance. So effective current IRMS should be is equal to here ERMS divided by Z. So Z value already we know here. Power in circuit is equal to power in circuit is equal to P is equal to here the I square RMS into R value in pure resistor. That impedance we call in pure resistor case. Here this one is ERMS is equal to here power P is equal to modification IRMS into IRMS into ERMS. So here the from this one, so here purely this one. So here general formula, this power, average power should be is equal to here the IRMS square into here the Z into cos pi, general formula. So where here the Z into IRMS square into Z into cos pi, here the power in circuit will be maximum. So here the power in circuit will be maximum, so at cos pi should be is equal to plus 1, cos pi should be is equal to 1. It means yearly Z is equal to R is equal to this value minimum only possible, this value minimum only possible. So when, or you may write like this, so when Z is equal to R, this value minimum case. So cos pi, Z into cos pi value minimum, here the power will be maximum. At resonance nothing but here the omega is equal 1 by root LC. This Z is equal to R case nothing but here the resonance. So is equal to 1 by L into C. Circuit current as well as power will be maximum. Circuit current as well as power will be maximum. Power will be maximum. That power should be is equal to here I square RMS into that R value. Z is equal to R. That Z is equal to R. This value is nothing but maximum power. So here this value resonance frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. So here the power versus resonance frequency, here the graph we are going to discuss. Here the power versus frequency graph. Here the power versus frequency graph. Here power value I would like to take power value and y-axis frequency value. Here the x-axis, let us consider this is a wave like this. So here the maximum power P maximum, here the omega is equal to resonance frequency at peak value, resonance frequency. So here at midpoint of the power, half of the power, so power maximum by 2, average power, maximum average power. Here the two different frequencies there. This frequency we call omega 1, here the frequency omega 2. So or else here the F1 also, here the F2 also, here the F2 also. Sometimes we drop between the frequency, or you better to write here the frequency also. This separation or changing this omega value we call here the bandwidth, here the omega 2 minus omega 1, omega 2 minus omega 1. This omega 2 minus omega 1 we call here range of this frequency. This value we call here range of this frequency. Range of this frequency. It means this range of this frequency we called here bandwidth. So here the bandwidth of a resonance circuit, this bandwidth of the resonance circuit, this range of frequency, the range of frequency, range of this frequency omega 1 to omega 2, range of this frequency omega 1 to omega 2, where power of circuit is more than the half of. So when where power of circuit, and power of circuit is more than the half of maximum is called circuit band. Maximum is called bandwidth. Maximum we called here bandwidth. So it means this separation, this range of this frequency we called here bandwidth. This what is this bandwidth topic we will discuss briefly in next session. Another important topic, bandwidth calculation for a series RLC circuit. Bandwidth. Here omega value on x-axis, current value on y-axis. So this is a graph. So omega value on x-axis, here the current value y-axis. Now this is a graph like this. So this is the maximum peak value. This one is nothing but resonance frequency. This is the maximum current. Now this is the maximum current, half of the maximum current. This is the half of the maximum current. So here the omega 1, here the omega 2, where omega 1 comma omega 2 we call here. So half power frequency, half power frequency, half power frequency. Here the in this situation here the x should be is equal to minus r. In this situation x should be is equal to plus r. Resonance plus r resonance. Resonance nothing but inductor value, that our resistor value impedance is equal to, here the minus r, here the impedance is equal to plus R. So as we know, IRMS should be is equal to ERMS divided by Z. ERMS divided by Z. At resonance, so here the Z is equal to R. This value you may substitute here. It means IRMS should be is equal to ERMS divided by here the R. ERMS divided by here the R. When P is equal to here the half of power, when power is equal to maximum of, here also power maximum of only, sorry here not root 2 of, maximum of, here maximum power, in this case maximum power. So here RMS also, here also, right, here also RMS value, so that implies IRMS should be equal to here the maximum divided by root 2, maximum divided by root 2, I maximum divided by root 2. Here the, in this situation, here this ERMS power should be equal to ERMS divided by impedance, and here the ERMS divided by root 2 into R, root 2 into R. So this ERMS get cancelled. From this one, this impedance from this one, impedance is equal to root 2 into R. In this case, impedance is equal to root 2 into R. Yet of power frequency, XR should be is equal plus or minus R. X should be is equal plus or minus R for omega 1 to omega 2. For omega 1 to omega 2. Here the omega L minus 1 by omega C is equal to plus or minus R. Plus or minus R. At which case is a plus, at which case is a minus, we are going to discuss. So here the, in this situation, so now I am going to explain omega 1 IRMS, I maximum by root 2. So here the I maximum by root 2, here the at omega 1 and at omega 2 case. So at omega 1 nothing but here the omega L minus 1 by omega C is equal to here the minus R. Here the omega L minus 1 by omega C is equal to plus R. Here take out LCM omega C and omega square L minus 1 should be is equal to minus R into omega into C. So here the omega C, here the C. So this is the quadratic equation omega square LC minus plus R omega C minus 1 is equal 0. Here the in terms of omega, here the quadratic equation, that's why you may write here, that's why I am going to write here directly. So in quadratic equation x is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here the a nothing but LC, like that, b nothing but here the b r omega c. So that value, so a value we know, b value we know, c value also we know. C is equal to minus 1, here the a is equal to LC. So this value substitute here and you will get the omega 1 should be is equal to minus r by LC plus r by LC plus under root of r square divided by 4l square, r square divided by 4l square plus 1 by LC you will get. Similarly here the omega 2 is equal to R divided by LC plus under root of R square by 4 L square plus 1 by LC. So you will get. So occurred bandwidth of circuit, bandwidth of circuit nothing but delta omega is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1. Substitute here. So delta omega is equal to, here the omega 2 minus omega 1 nothing but R by LC plus under root of, here the R square by 4 L square plus 1 by LC minus here minus into minus plus R divided by LC minus root of R square by 4 L square plus 1 by LC. This value get cancelled. So here the finally this final value, here 2 is there na, sorry, here 2L, A nothing but LC, B nothing but RC get cancelled, sorry, here only 2L, here the 2L, here also 2L. So half into half full, so that's why final equation R by L. So that implies delta omega is equal to R divided by depending on this ratio. If L value increasing, bandwidth decreasing. So if R value increasing, bandwidth also increasing, bandwidth also increasing. Based on this one here, this sharpness is also depending. So based on this one, we are going to discuss some deep next sheet. Another important topic, quality factor of a resonance circuit. This quality factor, so we called another one Q factor. Another name Q factor. This Q factor of a circuit is defined as Q factor of a circuit is defined as the ratio of energy stored in circuit to the energy loss per cycle at resonance in the circuit. So here the ratio of energy stored in circuit, to the energy loss per cycle, energy loss per cycle at resonance in the circuit. So here the Q, it means according to this statement, Q is equal to energy stored per, so energy loss per cycle, So this is a statement. So another statements also there, one by one we are going to discuss. In terms of resonating or reactancy, so frequency and bandwidth of circuit, it is defined as so Q is equal to omega R divided by changing omega. So in terms this value we called here resonance of this one is we call according to this formula, in terms of resonating frequency frequency, in terms of resonance frequency, omega r and bandwidth and this bandwidth, resonance frequency but bandwidth, it is defined as, this is a equation. So Q is equal to omega r divided by bandwidth. So here the Q factor of series, this one, Q factor of a series RLC circuit, we called RLC circuit. So here another case also say, so also here the Q factor should be is equal to XL divided by, here the impedance, pure impedance, purely resistive is equal to R, that should be is equal to, here the omega R into XL, nothing more omega R divided by here the R. So omega resonance frequency, nothing more 1 by root omega, so root LC, so 1 by root LC into R, so into L, that should be equal to 1 by R into root of L by C. Based on numerical problems, based on question, you may pick up the formula, either this one or this one or this one. Based on question only you may pick up the formula. This one also, so this Q factor also, here the series RLC circuit only, this one is a resonance, this one a resonance case only.